It's so nice that the weather, it looks like it's cooperating now. So if you're planning or barbecuing later today.
Yeah, Heather and Jenny are in the back lot this morning getting some tips from the grilling pros. You got Cali Comfort out there?
I sure do, in Valley Farm Market. Yeah. This is so great. We have Derek and Shawn back at the house with us. Would not be a Memorial Day, or let's just say any holiday, unless we got a visit from you guys to come on in here and just show us what to do. We're not going to let a little bit of rain or at least the damp ground hold us back, right?
No, absolutely. And that's one of the things we want to talk about, is making sure that people know it's okay to still barbecue in the rain. It's okay. Things will be okay. The grills are, contained. Fire is still going. But it's important to make sure you just get out there and experience it for sure.
Absolutely. What's on the big green egg going on?
Well, today we have two different ones. We have one that's kind of going low and slow with our tri-tip.
Oh, baby.
And then this one's more of a grilling, and we got our Aloha beef and Maui ribs. And this is going to be more of a quick, thinner meat with USDA prime flat meat, and our Maui ribs are, some of our favorites. So getting out there, experiencing it, we're lucky to have two grills, and it's great to be able to do both smoking and grilling.
Can I ask you a question? My father is guilty of doing this. Sorry, Dad. He will put meat on the grill and then take a knife and cut it while it's on the grill just to see how the
No.
Derek, it's going to be okay. Is that not okay? No, it's hard to hear this.
It's frowned upon.
Okay.
It's frowned upon. What we try to do is experiencing it and doing it enough, it's a feel.
Yeah.
So barbecue is always a feel when you're doing something low and slow. You like to hold it, grab it, and you can feel, the dexterity of it, and if it's ready to go.
All right, what we learned here today is don't do
put
knives on the grill.
Right.
Yeah.
So of course people can stop by Valley Farm Market, pick up the meat, throw it on your grill, or if you just want the work done for you, which is my style, that's where you come in, Shawn. Cali Comfort. Can people stop by today and grab
Cali
stuff?
Comfort, we are open from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. and we slow cook all the meats on our old hickory pits. We'll be open, and for us, Memorial Day is about remembering those who sacrificed for us to be able to do the things that we love to do. Memorial Day is the start of barbecue season, which is incredible. Obviously, here in San Diego, we barbecue all throughout the year, but for us, we're really fortunate to be able to do the stuff that we love.
All right, so coming up during the CW San Diego, we're going to see what Shawn's got cooking up, and then check back in with Derek here on the grill, where no knives involved during the grilling process. You know what? I'm noticing a lot of blue sky out there this morning, and I know we do have some isolated rain still going on in some parts of the county.